YouTube, it's Matthew today, and I just wanted to show you guys do an unboxing and a review of two things that I got. I thought were pretty cool. The first one comes with a mask. This one is the Custom Pro Tippman, and the other one is a 98 Custom Tippman. They're both very cool. Cut them open. Let's cut this one open. There's a camera one and a black one. Mask included for the first one. Yeah, like the mask. It's very nice. This one is, I don't know, I'm not sure what the brand is. Probably Tippman. Okay, let's pull the gun out itself. For the first one, this is the camera one. This is the Custom Pro. It comes with two finger shooter, two trigger. It comes with the handle. I like that handle. This comes with the this and the handle. It's very nice. This one comes with the hopper. Stick on here. Pretty nice. And get the barrel out of here. Stick the barrel on this thing. So we have two tank clips in the back. So yeah, I went paintballing for the first time in my church. It was a pretty good thing. It was fun. Oh, goodness gracious. Comes with a pretty nice tank. Safety. So this is the Tippman Custom Pro. I like this gun. This gun has been rated 4 to 5 stars. It's one of the best of the Tippman. Most people prefer Tippman over the Spiders, or Spider, or really any other paintball gun brand. So this is a very nice gun to have. It is the Custom Pro. I rate it about 5 stars. Shooting it, I'll do another video on shooting it later, because I'm getting some paintballs later, which will be fun. And yeah, so this is the Custom Pro paintball gun by Tippman. It also comes with the sock, which I'm not going to put on it right now. So this is pretty nice. So we'll go over this, what this comes with, just so if you guys ever want to decide to buy one, you guys could get one. And so you know what it comes with. It comes with this medium-sized CO2 tank, the gun itself, the hopper, and the barrel. And this one actually comes with a clear hopper too. This clear hopper, it helps. It's like an electric one. So, like, you stick this up on here. You can take this out like this. Pop this hopper off. These poppers are very hard sometimes. And you stick this clear one on here, just like so. I don't think I'm ever gonna use this if I get paintballing. You stick it on here, and this. It comes with this thing inside, and it moves it around, so the paintballs go down and through the thing under here. So this one's an electric clear one. Pretty cool, but I'm not thinking I'm gonna ever use this one. That's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe.